In this video, we'll see sum number 5 in exercise number 9.1. Calculate the correlation coefficient for the following data. So, x and y data are given. I have created columns and written x and y data vertically like this. And when you find out the sum of the x column, I get 310. 310 when you add up all these things. And summing up of y column, I am getting 340. Both are even numbers and number of data is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So n equals 10. I can find out the arithmetic mean of the given data. X bar is equal to summation x divided by n, which is equal to 310 divided by 10. I'll get 31. Similarly, y bar is equal to summation y divided by n, which is 340 divided by 10. I'll get 34 as the answer. So, I am using this type. And the formula will be R equals summation xy the whole divided by root of summation x squared into summation y squared. This will be the formula. So that I am creating tabular columns accordingly. X is equal to x minus x bar, y equals y minus y bar. So y bar I have got the answer 34 and x bar I have got the answer 31. X minus x bar means for x bar it is 31. So 25 minus 31. 25 minus 31 is minus 6. 18 minus 31 minus 13. 21 minus 31 minus 10. 24 minus 31 minus 7. 27 minus 31 minus 4. 30 minus 31 minus 1. 36 minus 31 5. 39 minus 31 39 minus 31 it is 8. 42 minus 31 11. 48 minus 31 it is 17. Now the next column y is equal to y minus y bar. So y bar we have got as 34. 26 minus 34 minus 8. 35 minus 34 1. 48 minus 34 14. 28 minus 34 minus 6. 20 minus 34 minus 14. 36 minus 34 2. 25 minus 34 minus 9. 40 minus 34 6. 43 minus 34 9. 39 minus 34 it is 5. Now it is x squared. 6 6 are 36. 13 13s are 196. 10 10s are 100. 7 7s are 49. 4 4s are 16. 1 1 is 1. 5 1 is 5. 5 5s are 25. 8 8s are 64. 11 11s are 121. 17 17s are it is 289. Now we have to sum up summation x squared. Summation x squared, when you add it up you will be getting 870. I have done it already. So y squared, 8 8s are 64. 1 1 is 1. 14 14s are 196. 6 6 are 36. 14 14s are again it is 196. 2 2s are 4. 9 9s are 81. 6 6 are 36. 9 9s are 81. 5 5s are 25. Now x and y, when you multiply x and y, we are going to keep this as small x and y. So what has been given us for in the sum is capital X and capital Y. We will be finding out small x and y. So this is also small x square. This is small y square. Small x and small y. So when you multiply, 6 8s are 48. 13 1s are minus 13. 10 into 14 minus 140. 7 6 are 42. 14 4s are 56. 1 2 is minus 2. 9 5s are minus 45. 6 8s are 48. 11 9s are 99. And 17 5s are it is 85. When you sum it up, you will be getting summation xy equals 178. And when you summation summation y squared, you will be getting 720. Now substitute in the formula. Summation xy, it is 178, the whole divided by root of summation x squared, 870 into y squared, it is 720. Now multiply 870 into 720, 178 divided by, when you multiply 87 into 72, you will be getting 626,400. Now find the square root for the denominator. 178 divided by 791.45. When you divide it, you will be divide it and round it off, you will be getting 0.225 as your answer. This can be done in the direct method also. So already I have done it and kept it like this. We have seen in the first sum, x and y, take it vertically. Now find out what is x squared. 25 25s are 625, 18 18s are 324, 21 21s are 441 as such. And y squared 26 26 are 676, 35 35s are 1225, 48 48s are 2304. As such, you can calculate using calculator. X and y, you multiply these two columns and find out the answer. Clear, children? So summing up the x column, summing up the y column, x squared column, y squared column, and summing up xy column. Is that clear, children, for all of you? Since it takes time, this is another method which we did it for the first sum. I have done it directly and kept it for you. And the formula is this one. N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation x squared minus summation x the whole squared into root of n summation y squared minus summation y the whole squared. For n is 10 as you count the number of datas. Summation xy is 10,718 minus summation x is 310, summation y is 340. N into 10 into summation x squared 10,480 summation x the whole square 310 the whole square into root of n is 10, summation y squared is 12,280 minus summation y the whole square 340 the whole square. Now multiply 10,718 into 10, 7,180. 310 into 340, you will get 1,05,400. 10 into 10,480, 1,04,800. 310 the whole square, 96,100. 10 into 12,280, 1,22,800 minus 340 the whole square, 1,15,600. Now subtract the numerator and you will get 1,780. On the denominator, when you subtract both this, you will get root of 800. When you subtract the next two numbers, you will get root of 7,200. Now take the root common and multiply these two numbers. You will be getting 6264 followed by 4 zeros. So 1780, when you take root for the square root for this number on the denominator, you will be getting 7914.5435. Now divide and round off, you will be getting the same answer as the previous method. So that's all about sum number 5 in exercise number 9.1.